Hello YouTube and welcome to another tutorial. So today we'll be talking about Putty. Putty actually is a very simple SSH client that you can use in order to connect to different devices. For example, I use it in order to connect to my router. So first we're gonna download it. Okay, so you open your browser. You just type Putty. We click on the first link, and here you can see that you can download it. You can download a zip file or even at Windows installer. But I've just downloaded the putty.exe file. So you click on it and it's getting downloaded. Okay, so here it is. So all you have to do is just double click it. Okay, so the first dialog that appears allows you to connect to different devices. So let me, for example, connect to my router. So here I will enter my IP address. Actually, this is the IP address of my router. So I'm using the port 22 in order to connect to SSH, and the connection type, as you can see here, is SSH. So all I have to do is to click the button open. Okay, so everything goes fine. So it asks me for a login, so I'll tap the login. For example, me. Okay, Aminos. And here I have to enter the password. And once connected, you go the prompt corresponding to your devices. So here I'm connected to a checkpoint firewall. So it's a very easy program that you can use in order to connect to SSH server. Of course, you can resize the window. You can also right click in the title window and you get a menu. And using this menu, you can customize your session, your SSH session. For example, I'm going to hit change setting, for example. Okay, as you can see, I have different options here. I'm going to the appearance, for example. As you can see here, I can change the cursor appearance. For example, it can be a block or it could be underline. For example, if I hit underline and apply, as you can see, the cursor has turned to underline. And once again, right click, change setting. Okay, and on the menu window I hit appearance. I can even make the cursor blinks, so I check this box, and if I hit apply, so the cursor now is blinking. Okay, let me, for example, change the font for this window. It's very easy. Change setting. Okay, then the appearance, and here you can see the button change for the font settings. So if I click on this button, a window will appear with the different fonts that I have in the system. I can choose whatever font I want, and style and size also. So let's make it a little bit bigger. So I choose, for example, 12 and I hit OK, apply. As you can see, the font has changed. Let's say, for example, we want to change the color of the font. So I hit right click, change setting, then appearance, no, colors, sorry. So here you can see that we can change, for example, the default foreground. So if I click the default foreground and I click also the button modify, here I can change the color of my font. So let's make it, for example, green. So I hit the color green, then OK, then apply. As you can see, the color of my text, of my font text, has turned to green. So you can just play around with these different options in order to get familiar with your Putty. So I hope it has been informative for you, and I want to thank you for viewing. Bye bye.